Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will walk you through exactly how to order items on Temu using your mobile device. First, open the Temu app on your mobile. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Play Store or App Store and sign in. You can search for an item directly using the search bar at the top or explore categories like electronics, fashion, kitchen tools, whatever you are looking for. For now, let's go with some dresses. Once you find a product you like, tap on it. Here, scroll down and here you can choose the correct size, color or quantity. Let me go with this size, and to quantity I will leave it to 1. Then tap add to cart. Now tap on the cart icon in the bottom right corner to review all the items you have added. As you can see, I have 2 items in my cart right now. So here you can edit the quantity, remove items by tapping on the delete icon at the top right of the items section, or apply a coupon code if you have one. Once you are ready, tap checkout to proceed. And here, enter your shipping address accurately. Here, enter your name, your shipping address, and your phone number. And once done, tap save. Now here, choose your payment method. Temu supports credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay and more. Enter the details and continue. I'll go with PayPal for now. And once done, tap submit order. You will get a confirmation screen and an email with your order details. To track your order, go to You at the bottom right, tap orders and you will see the tracking progress right there. And that's how you easily order items on Temu. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.